Okay, so we can sit like this. Wherever we gone there, we can take the help like this. Hi friends, now year ending is going on. We want to travel. So while traveling, while we are disability people, we have to have some planning. We have to have some equipment. So what are the equipments? At least basically we require to share that one. I came to here. So basically I have collected some equipment. It is basically necessary for us when we are planning to do. But as independently we can drive, and without any help we can have ourselves the things actually. See, that is the foldable chair. So basically I am showing some equipments. This is a foldable chair where when we are not having any sitting and outside, this chair we can use it. This is the basically we most require this one. Some people can't go in Indian toilet wherever we not have any Western this one we can utilize this one. This is basically this is electronic this one. I will show the demo. This is basically this chair will be like this. We can carry easily wherever the chair is not there or anything in open field. That time we can use it like this and we can sit. Okay, so we can sit like this. Wherever we gone there, we can take the help like this. Like this, we can sit in the beach or anywhere we are going. This type. This is very helpful. We need not to ask anybody give a stool or chair, all that one. It's a portable chair. We can carry it easily. Even our children can carry and come near temple or in this one when beach or here when we go in. Basically this chair we can fold it like this whenever we are not carry it in the keyboards. Okay, basically it is very helpful wherever the Western comfort is not there, we can't go. We can keep in Indian toilet like this. We can sit like this. We can finish it as more comfortable to see this one. It's a very simple thing, but it is very helpful who are not able to bend it or we can't able to go in Indian toilet. For them it is basically needed. And moreover, I kept one more. This is the water carrying. Wherever this is also foldable like this, we can carry easily. It's a collapsible bucket. Okay, water we can carry it wherever we require. Sometimes we can need a bucket of water. We can carry it. And moreover, this I kept. This is the water heater rubber, small this one. Whenever we will get some swelling in the leg, that time we can use it. Hot water fill up in hotel asking this one. It will also helpful actually. Mainly now I am coming to the conclusion of this electronic shock absorber, how it will helpful. Okay. See, basically we'll get in the vehicle this type of jack actually. To put this type of jack, it's very difficult us to put the puncture. Okay, this is the one clip in vehicle will get actually. This one we have to put like this and we have to press this one. It's very difficult when two legs are there or any disability people, or we have to ask other people. So basically we take this one. See, this is this wire is connected to cigar light actually. This, when we will put this one, this is a force shift. We will get it. We have, when net is there, we have to remove the cap. See, basically in vehicle we will get this jack rod. To remove this one, how much difficult will be there. So this is the electronic jack rod will be there. We can remove it easily. Okay, when we'll put it actually like this. Like this it will come. jack will come. We can remove the wheel easily, all the nuts. Okay, this is the jack will be there. We can tighten it actually. This is within a minute you can put it actually. Now this is the cigar light. This is the electronic jack will be there. You can connect the pin like this. This is the back side, and air filter gap will be there here. We can fill the air like this. We can we can push the vehicle to this one. This is the jack will be there. Yes. So we can change our wheel from stepping wheel to this way actually. These all independently we can do ourselves when we are going individually. Some people will ask how they can drive if puncture is happening anything. We have to answer it. Mainly it will depend on our ability and our aim and our vision. Where there is a will, there is a way. If we kept all this type of equipments, it will be very helpful to independently handle it, and we can drive easily. Even with our families, ladies or anything, they will be having always doubts. This one, how when the puncture comes or anything happen. Here in this one, air also is there. We can put it here or fuse. So we can fill up the air also here. We can fill up this one. We can check the air also. Like this. We can fill the airs also like this. It's very helpful for us whenever it will be there for us. So this is the more tips for year end who are traveling for long way. It is very helpful tips I am sharing for you. It is very helpful. You can share it to others. Still you have any idea, or you can have the committee, or you have still better idea, you can send it in me, and or you want to have the clarify, you can comment on me comment box. I will share it to you. I am Shiv Prasad. Thanks a lot. Shiv.